Once you are ready to outline with Olivia, just click on this button, Outline with Olivia, and she's going to bring over to the Outlining and Plot Strategy Studio all your character dossiers and your story Bible. You're now in Olivia's Outlining and Drafting Studio. She's ported over all your character dossiers as well as your story Bible. It's important to note that if you make any changes to your story, make sure that you update them here. For example, if you change the story world or there are new characters that you want to add, keep your story Bible updated as you develop your novel, because Olivia, like an editor, is going to look at your story Bible and all your characters as the source of truth. Olivia is going to welcome you with the script. Please read through it because there's important information here that is going to help you optimize your engagement with this editor. And once you go through it, she'll always have it here available for you in case you need to reference it again. This video is for those of you who are starting a novel from scratch. There's two ways to outline a novel from scratch. Option 1 is to build your first 15 chapters, 5 across Act 1, 5 across Act 2, the middle, and 5 across Act 3, the end. This is similar to Save the Cat, if you are familiar with that concept, where you build your first 15 chapters across the entire novel, beginning, middle, and end, and then you start adding connective chapters to drive more narrative threads, more subplot, more setups and payoffs. So you could approach it this way, or you could build chronologically. Build up my first 30 chapters, then ideate from there. Just tell Olivia which way you're going to go. Typically what she does is build the first 15 if you go with this method or this method, and then she's going to offer you a scene summary table that you may want to take advantage of because it helps you look at different angles and different ideas for different chapters very quickly instead of having her deliver the entire chapter plan. So that's why after chapter 15, you will notice that she asks you or she delivers a scene summary table. When you start building your outline with Olivia, she already knows my spark scene, my characters. So I'm just going to go Act 1, Scene 1. And she's going to deliver her rich chapter plan for you. There's a lot of really great stuff here, but when you're building your chapter plan, the most important thing is to look at the scene that you are planning here. It's really a chapter. And then look at the significant actions. Is this your vision? Or maybe you've changed your mind and you want the scene to begin the night before the birthday party. You can give Olivia direction on what it is that you want to see in your chapter plan. And you can talk to her here. Well, I kind of like this, but maybe I was hoping to see a little bit more of that or this, or I really want to make the reader be at the edge of their seat. Is this the right structure for the opening chapter? You can have any kind of discussions back and forth with her, and she'll talk to you about it. But at the end, she's going to again curate that conversation and deliver this chapter plan for you so that you can then save into your outline. And here it is. It's saved into your outline. Once you have a really rich chapter plan with the right beat structure, you're going to be able to start drafting your novel and reference your chapter plan. I'll talk a little bit more about this chapter plan and how to use it for drafting on the drafting video.